Hello, I'm JC, and on this video I will show you how you can use the Firebase Update document template to update information on Firestore. So let's take a look here. We have like the home flow where we have like a very simple use case of update phone number. On your case, it would be different, like a different flow or action. But yeah, for the sake of the example, I put this as the action that we are going to take care of, and then we go into the workflow flow update phone number to use the function that we are going to see. So it's the update document. So here, like the important part would be to update your API key and the values that you're going to update on your Firestore document. But if you want to learn more how to like how you can adapt or like change the function itself and how you can use it, you can click on the marketplace link here, where you're also going to find a video about it. So as for the template, it's quite simple. We first start with the message, and then we capture the email, we capture the phone number, and then we go into the function, and depending on the result of the request, we get into success or error blocks, and we end the conversation there with the message. So that is very, very simple. You can update this and redirect the conversation to a different place. But for the example, this is what I have here. And then we can take a look a little bit in detail, like the function inputs and outputs. So we have here like some inputs. First is the phone number, and then we are going to take a look now at the Firestore. So we have like a sample collection here of users, where we have like this key, and then we have the document of these fields like email name and phone number. So what we are going to try to do with the function is to update the phone number here, like this field, and how the function is coded at the moment is that you get to update one field at a time. You can update the function yourself to have more fields if you want to, but yeah, at the moment it is only one field that we can update. And this is like the update field variable here, so we put the phone number. For the Firebase document ID, this is very important. You would need to have like the key of the document, or like the document ID, to be able to use the function. You either have that already on the flow or the document somehow, or you fetch the document ID from Firestore, or maybe you have it on your database. But yeah, you would have to have that information to be able to use the function. In my case, is the email. I have the email as the key of the document, since it's unique, and yeah, it is easier for me to show you how it works, but you have to find out the document ID beforehand. So I put like the Firebase document ID as the email that I'm capturing here on the block before. The reservation type is the next field. So the function is expecting something like a reservation type for updating the value, but we can use that variable to put the data or the value that we want to update. It will work in that sense. So for me, it's like the user phone number. So I use the Voiceflow variable user phone number as the reservation type, but on the code it will be used as it is. And then we get into the Firebase collection. For my case, is the users, and then we get into project ID, database, and API key. These values will be different for you. You can find on this link the video where you can see how you can get this value yourself. And then we get into the outputs. We don't have we have one, but I'm not using it. But essentially, you get like the content of the Firestore updated, the document that it was updated. You can use that information here, like store it on a variable, and then use it on the project. but for the example, I don't use it right now. So let's test this and then see how it works. Then it goes to the home. We get to run test, and as I said, we have this example of a update phone number to use the function. I also put like the intent of update phone to the button, so you can click the button and it will go to the flow. But I wanted to show you as well that you can attach intents. So if I put something, or the user puts something like written here, it should also go into it. So I want to update my phone number, then it goes to the flow, and then we get into the example. So I need to use this, like jane@test.com. We put the email, and then we will be asked what is the phone number, the new phone number. So this is the current one. Let's see how we can update this. Let's say it's 3434. And with that, it's all it takes to go to the Firestore and update it. You will see that there are some debugging messages here, and as well as the content of the document that it was updated back from the request. And then we get some messages. So if we go to here again, we see that the value was updated. So I think for the template and for the flow, that's all I wanted to show you here. You could also see that if we go back to the functions, you will have already imported the function from the same one as from the marketplace. And then you will also see like the intents here, and the one update phone, where is the one that I use. And then you can see that is used in both places. So yeah, you can use the template to update information faster. And I think that's all for this one. I hope it was helpful, and I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.